Good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I hope you're in a good condition while watching my video. My name is Rita Floribenta Pama. I'm 37 years old. I'm a single mother of 4 children, age 16, 15, 13, and 8 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have work experience in Hong Kong for 9 years with 3 employers. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and taking care of the children, send them to school and pick up after school. And with elderly, my duties and responsibilities are changing diaper, make breakfast, prepare use medicine, shower, and exercise, and walking at the park. I guarantee to you, Mom and Sir, that I'm a hardworking, kind, and honest person. Thank you and God bless.